everybody, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome to my channel. And today I wanted to share with you some of my African print fabrics that I've collected over the years. So if you're into fashion and you're into styling, then stick around because I will be styling these pieces for you. I just wanted to talk about the beauty of the fabrics. I don't know a lot about the specific names of the different types of prints and the symbols within them. And I really, to be honest with you, don't know a lot about the history of the fabrics and clothing of Africa, but I do know what I love aesthetically, and I think these are very beautiful pieces. Some of them were gifted and some of them I just acquired myself, and I just thought I would share them with you and share with you the little bit that I do know about it. I did run across a really fascinating video, which I'm going to leave in the description box below, but it talks about the history of African fabrics and how a lot of the fabrics are actually made in other parts of the world and not Africa. Some of them are made by the Dutch. In Holland, a lot of the wax prints and the Ankara prints are made in Holland. And that was interesting to know. A lot of the techniques that are used were techniques that were used throughout the world, and then depending on the, location of the peoples, they did different things that made it unique to that particular area. So I'll leave that video in the description box below. But nonetheless, they're beautiful fabrics, and they do and have come to represent the African heritage. So I'm going to start out with the first pieces which were gifted to me, and these pieces were brought from Ghana. And I was talking to my now husband at the time, and I say talking to, I guess you could say courting. We were just in the beginning stages of getting to know one another when he took a trip to Africa. He invited me to go along, but I graciously declined because we were in the beginning stages and I really had not known him that long, for about maybe 4 months. And so I declined. I kind of look back on it now. If I had known that I would be marrying him, I probably would have taken the trip, but I wanted to keep it, a little bit cautious and safe at the time. I'm like, I barely know this man. I'm not going to travel halfway around the world with him. And he was going to pay for everything. But that was a trip of a lifetime. Hopefully I'll get to go one day, hopefully. But anyway, so these are the pieces that he did bring me back. So starting with the first piece, this is a head wrap piece right here, and then this is a skirt, and then it comes with the main dress piece. Not sure what the official name of this is, so if you know, please leave it in the comments below. I'd love to learn what the name is actually called. But what I love about this beautiful fabric is that the weaving has a nice leaf print design woven into it, and then you have this nice embroidery detail on the headband as well, kind of like a radial design, really, really nice. The skirt has detailing along the border of the skirt, and it's just really lovely. Absolutely adore this. And this is something that you would wear to a wedding, to church, to a celebration. So it's somewhat dressy from what I understand. This dress piece is just marvelous. Look at how wide it spreads out. It spreads out into this long rectangular piece with a cutout for the neck and the arms. And just very simply made, but so beautiful and makes a statement. But nice embroidery all along the neckline and everything. Absolutely love that. Okay, so the next piece was also brought back from Ghana. And this is another dress. It did come with a head wrap, but not a skirt. And this piece is a batik print fabric. So batik is when you use a wax method to create your design and then you dye the product. The wax is removed and you're left with this really beautiful design. So this is a block print batik, and it has the nice embroidery, gold embroidery along the neckline, and just really beautiful detailing. Absolutely love this. Okay, so the next piece is also from Ghana as well. It has the nice white embroidery along the neckline, very simple tie-dye fabric, and we're all familiar with tie-dye. You can get some beautiful designs with using the tie-dye technique where you kind of twist the fabric and tie it using string or maybe a rubber band and then dipping it in the dye to create these different designs. So when you remove the tie or the band, you're going to be left with this design, thus called tie-dye. So really nice. Okay, so the next pieces are a type of fabric that's called wax print fabric. And these are also known as ENQUIRERS fabrics, and they're very, very popular in West Africa. And these are just really, really nice. I picked this one up from a design house based out of London. I learned about them off Instagram some years ago, but I no longer can remember the name, nor do I have the card or the information, or else I would share it with you. But this was custom made. I had to send my measurements off, and then they sewed it together based on my measurements. It does have pockets, which I absolutely love. It's fully lined. It has a thick waistband, and it's just really, really beautiful. And so you can style this a bunch of different ways, which I will show you later on in the video. Just really full, nice floor-length skirt. Okay, so the next piece, which is also a wax fabric, is this wrap skirt, which I picked up locally at a place called Sirus. I'll leave it in the description box below, but it's located in downtown Augusta, and they sell a lot of African like apparel and accessories and things of that nature. So I picked up this round wrap skirt with this beautiful wax print design on it, bright yellow. Love, love, love. Now this next piece I picked up, believe it or not, at Goodwill, and I believe this to be a custom made African piece. It is extremely well made. It is fully lined, has a really nice quality zipper, nice ruffling detail. I love the neckline on this, and it's just a nice heavyweight wax print fabric. And like I said, I believe this to be a custom made piece, but I looked up and got it at Goodwill for a really, really good deal. I think I paid maybe like $4 or $5 for this at the most, but really pretty. Okay, and then the next piece was a custom made piece by one of my friends on YouTube. Her name is Lala, and Lala has her own channel. It's called Lala Be So Random, and she designs these African print dresses, skirts. This one is called, I named it the Circle of Life skirt, and she thought that was very appropriate because you can style it so many different ways, and I've done a whole video on that, styling of this, which I won't be styling it all those ways in this video, but I will definitely link that video in the e-card up above so you can check it out. But this is a skirt slash dress. You can just wear it so many different ways, at least 14 different ways that I know of. It comes with, you know, you wrap tie, and then it also comes with a belt tie, which you could also use as a hairpiece tie as well. Really pretty. And then the last piece is this piece that I recently picked up from Grassfields, which is a company based out of England that is owned by two African sisters. I believe they're from Cameroon area, and just really, really beautiful, nice, full layered tier. And you can wear this a lot of different ways as well. And I'll also leave the original video that I styled this in the description box below. So these are all of my African print fabric pieces that I own, and now I'm going to do a quick showcase of them all. So stick around, then we'll be right back. So this styling is made up of 3 pieces: the head wrap, the top or dress, and the wrap skirt. So I have cinched the main portion of the dress using a bracelet. It originally came with a type of hardware that you would cinch the main portion of the dress through, and I misplaced that, so I came up with another inventive way to do practically the same thing, and that allows you to see the embroidery along the skirt. And I paired it with a pair of Gianni beanie shoes, and as you can see, the back is just as ornate as the front. And this is a piece that you would wear to a wedding, to church, to some type of, you know, formal celebration or gathering, but it's very festive, and I absolutely love this piece. The complementary colors of yellow and purple really allow this piece to make a statement. It does have a head wrap and just beautiful block print batik, absolutely stunning design, floor length, very airy, very comfortable. And this once again is something that you could wear to a nice celebration. This is the tie-dye dress, more simplified, not as ornate as the first two, but you could wear this casually with jeans and sandals, or you could wear it alone just as a dress and be ready to go. It's just really carefree, perfect for the beach if you wanted to throw over swimwear as a cover-up. But I really like the tie-dye design, diamond design on this one as well. This midi circular wrap skirt is a very feminine skirt. I absolutely love the bright yellow colors of it. It's very eye-catching, and I like that when you spin around it flares out. It's just something very elegant about it that I like. And you could dress this up like I'm wearing with a nice blouse, or you could wear it casually with a tank top and some sandals. It's a lot of different ways that this could be styled, and I have worn this with like a t-shirt and a denim jacket and just some cute little shoes. So really love this wrap skirt, and I got this at Sirus downtown Augusta if you're in Augusta. This wax print and carved floor length skirt is so elegant. I've worn it so many different ways in the past. Here I'm wearing it with a black tank top that I got from Target, and I paired it with just an African necklace that has some of the colors of the skirt, and I'm wearing my Gianni Beanie black sandals. But you could definitely jazz this up and wear it formal, semi-formal, or you could go even more casual than what I'm wearing now and wear flats with it. There's just so much you could do, but this is just one option, and it does have pockets, which I love. One of the things that I love about African print fabrics is that you really don't have to do much to jazz them up. The prints themselves are just so eye-catching. Just put on your favorite pair of shoes and your favorite jewelry and you're ready to go. This one has pockets as well, which I absolutely love. Love the fullness of this dress, and you can wear this so many different ways. You can layer it, you can wear it with flats, you could put a jacket on with it. Your options are just limitless. This is a circle of life skirt, which you can wear like 14 different ways that I know of. I'm pretty sure there are even more ways that you could style this, but I'm wearing it as a halter dress, belted at the waist, but you can unbelt it for a looser feel. And this, once again, was created and sewn and designed by Lala. Make sure you check out her channel, Lala Be So Random. But I absolutely love how she mixed the different wax print fabrics. So these are two different fabrics that she sewed together to create that contrast, but they have the same color scheme. So mixing of prints, absolutely love it. So this last Ankara printed top I picked up at Goodwill, as I mentioned earlier. I love the wide neckline of it and the ruffles along the sleeves and the bottom portion of the top. It zips in the back, it zips all the way actually, so it's easy to pull on and off. And this is an outfit that I'm actually going to wear this weekend to an art event that I will be attending. So that is it for my African print collection of clothing. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for my quick video on my African print collection. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below as to which one was your favorite. Also, do you collect African print fabrics? I'd love to hear from you. And where do you buy your African prints from? I'd love to know. Let's create some dialogue. By the way, look for a post very, very soon, like within the next 24 hours, about a giveaway that I'm doing on my channel to show my appreciation to my viewers. It's my 10K subscriber giveaway. I will be giving away 10 of my handbags. I will be doing a post sharing those 10 handbags and giving you all the details on how to enter into the giveaway. So be looking for that post. It's my way of showing you my appreciation for your support, subscribing to my channel, and just, being so positive and kind. This is a great community, and it's just nice to see how it has grown over the years. I love you all. Thank you so much for tuning in. And remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He loves us so much. And I love you too. And I will see you real soon during the 10K celebration, the 10K subscriber celebration. Take care, everybody. Bye.